welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm back with another hairstyle video, and I'm going to be showing you how I achieve these crochet faux lock braids. But let me just tell you, this was a lot harder than I thought it was. As you can see here, I wasted half a pack of hair trying to achieve this style. So in this video I'm going to show you the do's and the don'ts of how you can be on a roll and how you can successfully crochet braid your hair, because why? Anyway, let me just get into the hair details. So the hair I used to achieve this look was this free tress hair. It's soft faux locks in 20 inches, and I have a few pieces left, so here's pretty much what it looks like. So it comes with 24 faux locks in the pack. I believe I used 2.5 or 2 and a bit packs to achieve my hairstyle. You know, I haven't got that much faux locks in my hair, but you know, a decent amount with 24. And I got the color 4 because I just feel like the color 4 is a lot more natural than color 1 and color 1B. Color 1 and 1B are more of a darker, you know, black look, and color 4 to me is kind of more like a natural brown, and to me it just looks more realistic. You know, you kind of want to mimic, you know, the natural look of a dread. So this is what I find with this hair, like it just mimics the natural look of a dread. And yeah, that's pretty much why I went for that. I went for 20 inches, and again it's wavy, so there's different types of faux locks. You can get curly and wavy and straight and goddess, you know, the list goes on and on, but this is pretty much what I did. So I'm going to jump into showing you guys how I install this hair and the do's and don'ts, so let's just get into that now. Alright guys, so what I did is I started off by braiding all of my head. So I did all of that part before I came on camera, but I left one out so you guys can see. So pretty much under all these faux locks is just a dread, I mean it's just a braid. So what you want to do at first is take your crochet hook, leave it open, go through the middle of your braid and attach your faux lock onto the hook, close the latch and pull the faux lock through. And then you want to see where there's a hole here. What you want to do is take the braid and the crochet hair and bring it through the hole, and then pull the crochet braid or the faux lock, and then pull your natural hair and the crochet apart just to tighten up the hair. And then what you want to do is, what I work for me is going under the braid, and what you want to do is pull the faux lock just a little bit. Honestly, this is going to be the key, because I'm going to show you what you don't want to do. But what you really want to make sure that you're doing is pulling the faux lock just before you wrap it. You don't want to pull it all the way, because then when you get to the end of the faux lock, it's just going to be damage and danger, trust me. So as you guys can see, the faux lock is very tight all the way here, and I'm pulling it just a little bit just before I wrap it around the braid. And when you're wrapping it around the braid, you want to make sure that the hair is nice and flat like this. Wrap it around, and you're not twisting, so we're not doing the twist, but you're pretty much just wrapping the hair around the braid, and just slowly, not slowly, but just carefully, just unraveling the hair just before you loop it. Now the thing is, I'm going to show you what not to do, because I felt like this is what slowed me down. But just, you see here's a little bit puffy, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to unravel it just a little bit and just wrap it around. If I unravel it too much, when I get to the end of my faux lock, the whole faux lock is going to puff up and you're just going to get frustrated, and that's what kept happening to me. So just a little bit, I'm just going to, you see, it's open a little bit, so I'm just going to twist it up. But the key is to make sure that here is tight. I'm just exaggerating that point, because honestly guys, I could have been done so much faster, but I kept unraveling it too much. So I'm just going to finish, and so you guys can see. So as you guys can see, it's still tight a little bit all the way down here. So you want to make sure that it's still tight and open it just a little bit. See? Open and wrap. Open and wrap. Open and wrap. Open and wrap. Keep doing this till you get all the way down. And then when you get to the end, you kind of just want to twist up my natural hair and the faux lock together and let it go, and you're left with, you know, a faux lock. So now I'm going to show you what you don't want to do. So what was not working for me was braiding wrapping the hair on top, so like this. And wrapping the hair on top. And what you don't want to do is you don't want to pull the hair so far apart. So you see how much space there is here? You don't want to do that, because what happens is when you get to the end of the faux loc, the hair is just going to unravel. So I'm just going to show you guys what happens if I pull the hair apart like this. Because I thought by doing this I was going to be far and I'll be moving faster, but honestly I was just moving slower because it just kept throwing up. So you want to make sure that you're not pulling it. So if I'm going to pull it too much, I'm going to show you guys. And as you guys can see, look, the hair is not tight. Whereas when I did it the last time, the hair was a lot tighter. So it's a lot looser here. So you're just leaving room for the faux loc not to be tight. So if I keep doing that. So it's loose. Can you guys see that? It's way too loose. And I'm kind of exaggerating it because honestly I kept doing this. I really want to show you guys so you guys don't get frustrated like I was frustrated. But anyways, yeah. What happens is when I let my faux loc go, it's just going to poof up. See? Alright guys, so as you can see, it's puffed up. So this is what you don't want to do. If you pull the hair too much, and for me, if I wrapped it on top, I was left with this poof ball and it just kept happening over and over again. And I wanted to make sure that I showed you guys, and hopefully you guys understand that, so this does not happen to you, because I was getting so frustrated. But yeah, so you want to make sure that you're pulling the hair just before you wrap it. If you pull it too much, then you're just going to end up with, you know, your faux locs popping up, and ain't nobody got time for that, yeah? So I'm going to show you one more time what it looks like to properly dread your hair. So I just got a little bit of gel here in case you're wondering what is that. So pretty much what we're going to do again is put the latch through the hole, hook on the faux loc, pull it through the hole, pull your braiding hair and the faux loc through the hole, and then you want to pull the faux loc down and then pull your hair and your faux loc apart. So what we want to do again is bring our faux loc hair under and then on top, and then wrapping it around the braiding hair, and we just want to unravel it just before we wrap it around the braiding hair, because we want to make sure that the rest of the faux loc is tight and not too loose. And there you have your faux loc. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the description box below if you're going to try this, or if you've tried it, or if you're thinking of trying it, or whatever you're going to do with it. And yeah, that's it from me, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye.